Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about a way to give to the IRUSA Waqf while still retaining an interest in the underlying asset, such that you, the donor, still benefit through time. This way is called a Charitable Remainder Trust, or CRT for short. In brief, a CRT is an irrevocable trust, wherein the donor gives either cash, securities, or real estate to the trust, and gets a payment back from the trust at some predetermined rate of calculation. The payment comes to you as a result of IRUSA Waqf sensibly investing your donation so that it grows through time and you share in that growth. To help understand a CRT better, let's look at Ahmed as an example. Ahmed earns an annual salary of $300,000 and currently owns a stock worth $100,000 that he purchased 20 years ago for $20,000. Ahmed now has several options. How can he stretch his dollar further? If Ahmed were to sell the stock, he would have a tax rate of 40%. So he would pay $120,000 in tax. Reducing his income to $180,000. Ahmed would also pay a capital gains tax on $80,000, the difference between the sale price of the stock and his original purchase price, or what's called the tax basis. So he would pay $32,000 for a net of $68,000 from the sale of the stock. After subtracting the tax from the sale price of the stock, this would put Ahmed at a combined income of $248,000. Or, Ahmed can make his dollar work harder by donating his stock as a CRT to IRUSA Waqf. If instead Ahmed transfers the stocks to a CRT, naming himself as the income beneficiary for the next 10 years at a rate of 5%, and the charity as the remainder beneficiary, Islamic Relief's finance team will then sell the stocks and invest in an income-producing asset. No capital gains tax is due on the sale. Ahmed receives the income taxable for the next 10 years of $5,000 per annum, after which the charity receives the remaining asset. So in terms of the math, Ahmed will have earned a tax deduction of $10,000, reducing his taxable income to $200,000. After paying $80,000 in tax and adding the $100,000, Ahmed will have an income of $220,000 post-tax. Ahmed will also earn $5,000 for the next 10 years, or $50,000 total, which after taxes will be $30,000. For a net income of $250,000, which is $2,000 more than if Ahmed had not given the gift. Moreover, IRUSA Waqf will have benefited by the $100,000 gift, so total wealth in this case is $350,000. By donating the stock as a charitable remainder trust to IRUSA Waqf, Ahmed was able to earn more money in 10 years and was able to make his dollar go further. With only a cost of $20,000 to Ahmed, he was able to help 5 times the amount of people, rather than if he just donated the same amount of money. The value of Ahmed's donation was great. Now Ahmed is able to give back to his community and get more back on his income. For more information on the IRUSA Waqf and CRTs, please see below or email any questions to info@irusawaqf.org.